Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, we're going to through the procedure of how to update manual checks. Before that, we need to post a vendor invoice and vendor payment. After that, we go through the manual check update. Let's move on to the procedure. Accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry, post vendor invoice. Here FB60 is the T code. Here coming to select the vendor, again press enter. Manoj Wholesalers, select it. Now press enter. Here you need to enter the amount, which is 4,50,000. Being electricity charges. Now select the GL account of electricity charges. Here you need to make sure that your company code is 140. Here select electricity charges. Now press enter. Enter the amount. I am putting star here. It will automatically take the amount what we have entered above. For text, I am entering plus. Select cost center only. Why? Because GL account 4,03,000 is a cost element. You just enter the cost center, then the business area and profit center will automatically get reflected in the transaction. Our cost center is 10401 00101. Now press enter. Here you need to enter the valid date, right? 29th May 2020. Now press enter. Like this, you need to post the vendor invoice. Here tax amount, business place, section code. Business place and section code are entered when the particular person having TDS is liable to TDS deduction. Otherwise, no need to enter the business place or section code. Here calculate tax, which means indirect tax at the time of purchase of goods and at the time of sale of goods. We need to enter here the calculate tax. After clicking on the checkbox, you need to select this icon. It will show the details of input tax and output tax which you have configured. Now moving to document, here simulate the document. It will show you the overall transaction, which account is debited and which account is credited, and with what amount the accounts are debited and credited. Here you can see. Now post. Here Manoj Wholesalers account is credited and electricity charges account was debited. Posting key 40 is for indicates debit, 31 indicates credit. Like this, we can post the vendor invoice. After this, we go through the payment of vendor invoice, and then we move on to the manual check updates. It was taking too much time. We have posted the vendor invoice successfully for Manoj. Now come to check how much of liability we have posted to vendor invoice to Manoj wholesalers. 20 lakhs. Check open items, display open items only. And execute it. If there is any liability, it will show you. Here there is a liability of 4,50,000 to Manoj wholesalers. Now come back. Now posting outgoing payment for entire invoice. Here post F-53 is the outgoing payment for vendor invoice. Here you need to select the bank account. This is the bank account you have. If you want to select it, if you click on it, it will display all GL accounts. Then there you can select the bank account. 10 HV is our business area. Amount is 4,50,000. It is the amount of liability. Our profit center is 104,001. Being electricity charges. Here you need to select the vendor. Now come to process open invoice, or you can press the enter button, it will display. Here 4,50,000 is the liability, and the amount we have posted as outgoing payment is also 4,50,000. That the difference is 0. Now come to document here, simulate. It will display you the transaction, that is which account is debited and which account is credited. Otherwise you can directly go through the post button. Here you can see HDFC bank account is credited and Manoj wholesalers account is debited. We have posted the vendor invoice successfully. Now we need to go for posting the vendor outgoing payment. Here we can post the vendor invoice outgoing payment 2020. Here you need to enter the bank account number 2,01,001. Here the business area 10 HV. Here the amount of liability of invoice 4,50,000. You need to enter the profit center. Enter the narration. Here it is the vendor account 20 lakhs you have to enter here. Now come to process open items. Here it will show the amount of liability, here it will show the amount of liability and the amount what we have paid. After this you can update the manual checks. We update for the updation of manual checks. It requires a document number. It means outgoing payment document number. So that's why we need to post outgoing payment successfully. Here the amount of invoice value 4,50,000 and the amount what we have paid is 4,50,000. So the difference is 0. Now post it by pressing Ctrl+S. it will get posted. After this, we can go through the manual check update. Here, this is the procedure you have to follow. After completion of manual check updates, I will post the next video as automatic payment posting in maybe in 2-3 parts. I'll post a video for automatic payment postings. Now coming to the manual check updates, this is the Pathways Financial Bank's environment check balance, create manual checks. Now press enter here. Press enter. Here is the payment document number 15 lakhs 4. It is the company code 104P fiscal year 2020. Our house bank is HDFC. Account ID is 7743. Check number you need to enter here. 000 100. Enter. It will show an error. Document 104T 2020 15 lakhs 4 is not a payment document number. Why it was showing like that means the house bank is not assigned to relevant for cash flows. You need to activate the checkbox here. It is the GL account centrally. Here HDFC bank account. Coming to the create our bank interest, here you need to activate the relevant to cash flows checkbox. Now save it. After we save it, it will definitely take the relevant for cash flows. Now save it. It is just a warning message, ignore it. It was saved here successfully. Now close this tab. Again press enter. It will take all the details here. If you want to enter any extra things, you can also add it. Now save it. Check number was created manually successfully. Now come back, guys. Yes, /n. Okay guys, creation of manual checks was successful. Creation of manual checks was successful. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe, but don't forget to click on the bell button, then only you will get my video notifications. If you have any errors or doubts at the time of your practice or on my video, please comment on my video. I'll definitely post a video on those errors and doubts also. Thank you guys. Thank you.